Hey you guys, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life. And today we're here doing an Amazon Prime or Amazon unboxing, you guys. Alright you guys, this is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life. Here on my YouTube channel we do unboxings. We talk about travel, we talk about life. If you want to see some good travel videos, unboxings, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sometimes you never know what you might get on my channel, but most times it's travel. We got unboxings and we got other stuff. So just did some Amazon ordering, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and open this box up. Been ordering a lot of stuff for travel. I got some people going on trips. I'm a travel agent, so when my people go on trips, I like to send them some type of gift sometimes, whenever I can. So just let's see what we got here and right here. Okay, I didn't know this is what this was, this package, because I ordered so much. This is actually an Oralfree Smart Oral. It's called an irrigator. So I got this because I wanted to get a water flosser, but this is an Oralfree Smart Oral Irrigator. So it says this helps with improved gum health. It says it's more effective than traditional floss to improve gum health and reduce gingivitis. It says that it can also provide superior cleaning around braces, more effective than traditional floss for cleaning around braces. So we're gonna test this out, you guys. So right here on the box, it says that it has a few different modes. It has a post mode for massaging the gums. It says it removes bacteria deep below the gum line. It has powerful jet water, which removes debris between the teeth. It says easy to use around dental braces and crowns, and it comes with 5 different nozzles for use. There's 4 operational modes, varying oral care needs, 360-degree rotating nozzle, nozzles release button, easy for taking the nozzle down or taking it off, convenient for water refill, and it's rechargeable, and it says it's low noise. So we're gonna put that to the test, you guys. So it's just 1 irrigator, 1 charging cable, and then there's 5 nozzles that are supposed to be included with this oral irrigator. Just for your information, I don't see anything on here that says that it's actually recommended by the American Dental Association, so that is a disclaimer. This one does not say anything on it that I can see to where it says that it is recommended by the ADA, but again, we'll see if it gets the job done. I did read the reviews on Instagram. I read the reviews right here on YouTube, and this one did have some pretty good reviews. So let's see. Yeah, it comes with the 5 nozzles here, you guys. So let's see what type of cable this is. Okay, so it has its own charging cable, comes right here out the box. Let's see the cord. It looks like a nice lengthy cord, so you don't have to worry about it when it's charging too close to the area to the plug. You got some space there. Look at that. You got a little space with this plug if you need space in the bathroom or when you're traveling. I bought this kind of to travel with me. I'm a traveling person, you guys, so be using this on the go. Typically use traditional floss, but said I'd try something new. Look at this stuff falling over the sides, on the floor. Oh, it must be charged. I didn't think it would come on. Oh, snap, y'all, what didn't happen? Okay, so this just easily slides off. I ain't looked at no instructions. It easily slides off. There's also, you can just open this area right here, I guess, to refill the water that way. Or if you're trying to clean it, you can slide it off. There's a opening right there too to put water in, a liquid in, or you can use this area right here to put the water in, and boom, it looks like it just easily slides right on, easily comes right off. Real easy, simple, you guys, right out the box. And it actually has a charge to it. I don't know, let's see. There you go, it's on. So what I see is there's a soft mode, a normal mode, soft mode, pulse, and then it says custom. So there's pulse, That says custom. Oh, normal sounds the fastest. Soft, pulse. And I really can't tell the difference of how long they are. Let's see. And then power off. So I guess that's it. And it looks like the charging port is right on the front right there. The charging port where the USB cable would go is right there on the front, and it has this attachment. I guess you got to be careful not to lose this attachment once you are plugging it up to help to keep it to be water resistant, I believe. Okay, you guys, so it does have the 5 nozzle tips here. As you can see, this one right here has a brush on it. This one has a brush on it. Then let's see about these. These, I don't know, are these almost the same? I don't know if these other 3 almost look the same. These 3 right here, I can't tell if there's any difference or if these are just the same, but these 3 tips right here pretty much look the same. And then I'm assuming this is like one that you would use to scrape your tongue, or maybe the sides of your gum, walls of your mouth or something like that. So these are your 5 attachments that you get. Mine is already charged up, so I might just see if it'll work out if I try it out just right now real quick. Get all this done in one video here. If you ain't subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's go try and test this out real quick. Okay, you guys, you might hear some background noise up here because the family is up and woke. But okay, I'm going to use this attachment right here. And it just easily, let's see. Oh, it easily snaps down in there and boom, comes right out real easy. Snaps down in there. So we're going to try soft. I'm going to put it on the soft mode. They say you should put it in your mouth and kind of put it 90-degree angle along your gums. I don't know, I hear horror stories about these, y'all. Let's see what I'm going to try to close my mouth and I'm going to push the power button. I'm going to let this camera roll, but I got it in my mouth because I hear horror stories about how people say they have these out and they spray water everywhere. Oh, I cut off. Let's see. Oh, shit. Oh! Yeah, see, I'm already messing up. Caught it in time, though. Yeah, I caught it in time. Here we go. Let's try this again. Selecting the mode. It's on soft. Here we go. I guess you gotta go fast. I only made it past what? I did the outside, inside, and the inside of the bottom row of my teeth, and it's already kind of like the water gone, y'all. It's gone, it's gone. You see, it's a little wet. It did get a little wet even with me keeping my mouth all the way closed. So, we're just gonna fill it up a little bit more. Go for it again. That wasn't too painful. Felt a little bit. I think it'll probably be better if you do it this way and fill it up this way, because then you can get more water in by taking it off that way. So I'm gonna try that way. Fill it up, fill it up. Oh, there we go. Don't want to push that button. Let me try this again now. So that time, I got the whole inside and outside done. I was going a little bit slower, just trying to get a feel of it. So I think, yeah, using it, filling it up from the top, got a little bit more water in there. And then you can actually go pretty fast. I'm just going slow because this is my first time using it, trying to get a feel of it. Like, again, on that soft, it's not too much pressure on the teeth or on the gums or anything. I don't know. Do y'all think I should try a different setting real quick? I don't know. Let me see if I try it on... We'll try pulse. And let me go to the area at the bottom that I already started on. The pulse wasn't wasn't too strong, you guys. It was just right. Actually, I like the feeling of the pulse on my gums a little bit better. Had a little bit more strength to it, but it makes it feel like you know it's actually doing some work. That's what you want it to do. Get that stuff from in between your teeth. If you ain't using that traditional floss, again, you should still use traditional floss. This is, you know, this shouldn't take the total replacement of that. So that was pulse. We're gonna try it on normal mode. Let me see. I'm gonna go right to the back again on normal mode. Oh shit! Shoot! Again, that didn't hurt. I know I've seen some people online and say they have some where it really hurts their gums. Again, I floss already, so I mean, maybe if you don't floss your teeth, maybe it'll irritate your gums. Mine don't feel like the pulse. I mean, the normal mode doesn't feel like it's too strong for my gums. I don't know if you got sensitive gums, sensitive teeth, it might affect yours differently, but I think I can use any three of the modes. Let me try the custom mode. Let me try the custom mode real quick and see how that one works. Okay, I think I like the other three modes a lot better than the pulsing mode. For the most part, I think I could get my teeth done a whole lot faster by filling it up. So I think you can go, if you go fast, you can get your stuff done pretty quickly with this one tank of water. You might have to fill it up one extra time depending on how fast or slow you're moving. I like the normal mode, soft mode, pulse mode the most, and you can see as the water, as this gets wet, it's pretty much water resistant, so I'm thinking you can also use this one like in the shower, in the tub, places like that to do it so it doesn't make too much of a mess as the water is getting out places. But as you guys can see, good thing that I did watch some other people's videos first about some of these water flossers to know, put it in your mouth before you push that power button. All right, you guys, if you've already made it this far with me, hit that subscribe button down below. I will leave a link in the description for this water irrigator in the descriptions down below. I'll leave a link. Now let me go ahead and make this smoothie up and then see you guys see what happens. We're getting all that stuff out then. But again, this is no way, shape, or form to take the place of that real traditional floss.